Okay, thanks for the opportunity. My name is Sofa. Here I will discuss the damage to raw materials during the unloading process with weekly periods in July 2025. I will explain it from the attached table. The first is product 0.5 mm walk veneer VO05, vendor PT Nusantara Wood Supply, kontraktor PT Bangun Karya Tama, and forecast 600 seats, total receive 550, seat defects 18, status claim, description, cracks and broken edge. In July 2025, of the target delivery of 606 of oak veneer, only 550 seats were actually received in addition to the 50 seat missing. 18 seats of veneer were also found to be damaged during unloading with cracks and broken edge. Therefore, the company filed a claim with PT Nusantara Wood Supply. This material was allocated for the PT Bangun Karya Tama project. The second project 0.7 mm thick veneer VP07 and vendor PT Hutan Lestari Mandiri, kontraktor PT Santoso Prima Indonesia, and forecast 420 seats with total reserve 400 seats, defects 10 seats, status claim and description, color is not uniform. Of the 420 seats required or forecast, only 400 seats were received, resulting in a difference of minus 20 seats. Furthermore, 10 seats of veneer were found to have an inconsistent color and were considered defective. Golden Way Forestindo has filed a claim with the vendor PT Hutan Lestari Mandiri. This material is used for the PT Santosa Prima Indo project. The third product 0.5 mm mahogany veneer VM05, vendor PT Indo Forest Product, kontraktor PT Mitra Jaya Abadi, and forecast 320 seats, total reserve 300 seats, defect 6 seats, status pending review and description, size 2 to 3 mm short. The vendor was supposed to ship 320 seats, but only 300 seats were delivered, leaving 20 seats short of the forecast. 6 veneer seats were found to be 2 to 3 mm short of the standard size. A claim has been filed but is still awaiting investigation by the vendor PT Indonesia Forecast Product. This material is intended for the PT Mitra Jaya Abadi project. Then the next is product 1.0 mm walnut veneer VW10, vendor PT Wahana Kayu Lestari and kontraktor PT Prima Konstruksi Global. Forecast 200 seats, and total reserve 195 seats. The fact 4 seat and status claimed description surface the fact. Of the forecast 200 seats of well-known veneer, only 195 seats were reserved, resulting in a shortage of 10 seats during unloading. 4 seats of veneer were found to have surface defect. Therefore, a claim was immediately submitted to PT Wahana Kayu Lestari. This material is used for a PT Prima Konstruksi global project. And the last project 0.6 mm maple veneer VMP Hero 6, vendor PT Global Timber Indo, kontraktor PT Indah Sejahtera Konstruksi, forecast 3060, total reserve 345 seats, defect 7 seats, status claim description black spot early mold. The planned quantity of maple veneer was 360 seats, but only the 345 seats were actually delivered, leaving 15 seats short of the forecast. During unloading, 7 seats of veneer were found to have back spot resembling early mold. The claim has been submitted to the vendor PT Global Timber Indo. The material is allocated for the PT Indah Sejahtera Konstruksi project. I have submitted the problem to the vendor and contractor. We are waiting for further confirmation from both parties, after which we will make an agreement regarding with her. The damage will be compensated or a discount and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.